Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be doing a quick install on my car. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be fixing my exhaust leak with some gaskets right here from Vibrant Performance. So I'm really hoping this will fit on my NVIDIA exhaust right here. So I also got the Whiteline steering rack mount bushings. So hopefully that'll stiffen up my steering. And also the Kartboy shifter bushings, the front and rear. It'll make my shift feel more positive. I'm really hoping it'll also fix that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car for you guys. I'm gonna get you to hear what the car actually sounds like with this exhaust leak. It sounds pretty bad. Oh yeah, she sounds very farty right now. So that's gonna be my goal, is just to change out the gasket, and we will see if it works. So let's get to it. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta use those arms. Damn, that's rusty. Oh my god. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have any penetrating fluid. Ugh. Jeez. Alright, just making sure the surface is as clean as possible. Alright, so there's my gasket. Just doing a whole lot of nutting. And I'm hoping this one will not corrode like that. Yeah. Just broke the bolt. Gonna get some new ones. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. See if there's a leak. That's awesome. Alright, so that's one thing fixed. Let's work on these bushings. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the steering rack bushings right now. Let's hope it actually goes a lot smoother than the other one. Hopefully I've got no rusty bolts and everything will come out nice and smoothly. So let's go. Oh, look at that. There you guys go. Oh man, this breaker bar is the best thing I've ever purchased. Alright, so if I take the steering shaft off, theoretically, I'm really hoping that this steering rack will drop down, give me enough room to take these bushings out. This one seems possible right here, but the driver's side is a little bit harder. Random clip. Don't know where it goes. Now with the old, very squishy. I believe the white lines are very, very hard and stiff. Alright, so we got those bushings installed. It was actually not too bad. It just took a while to do everything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't see anything, but they're installed and I'm going to be testing out as soon as I get the shifter bushings in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so the last clip you guys saw was me trying to install my shifter bushings. Didn't go out so well. I tried to take off my rear transmission mount. Some of the bolts, they just wouldn't come off, so I'm going to tackle that another day. So that'll be a future video for you guys, and I'm really hoping I can do that next time and have not as many problems. But currently, I've ran this car with the bushings, the steering rack bushings, for a week now. And I gotta say, it is a little bit of a difference. You can't really tell right away, but it's very subtle. So pretty much when you move the wheel just that little bit, it will engage your steering. In the stock bushings, they do tend to have a little bit of play, so you will have a little of a dead zone, if you would say, in the steering. So with these new bushings, you get a lot more positive feedback when you're actually turning. So yeah, it's a pretty good upgrade. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more about this car and what I'm going to be doing in the future, you can hit that subscribe button, you can like, comment. I'll talk to you guys on there. Yeah, I do have Instagram as well. Link in the description. I'm going to do a poll right now for all of you that have made it this far. It's going to be something fun. So I got a few things on my mind that I do want to install in my car. A few performance, a few aesthetics. So we'll see what you guys are most excited about. So I want to get the front mount intercooler. I want a cold air intake. I want the parent wing stiffies. And I can also do a wrap on my roof of my car, and also some of the accents on the car as well, like door handles, fog light covers, yada yada yada. So those will be the 4 things that you guys can choose from. It'll be right up there in the top right corner, and it only takes a second to vote, and yeah, we'll see what you guys are most interested in and excited about. So we will see you guys later after that.